Sad cat can't go outside. Sad cat can't go outside. Are you sad? Because you can't go outside. Please respond. How about just this one time? I let you outside. How does that sound? Mr. Kitty Cat. Oh. All right. I'll let you outside. Wait a minute. Looks pretty bad out there. Quite inclement, if you'd ask me. I mean, if you still insist, let's go ahead and give it a go. What? Now you don't want to go? Oh, very curious. No balls, though. Not gonna rush out into the open world. Something that you've never had the experience to do. Come on. Look, I did it. Come on. Look, I'm out here. Don't you want to come outside? Come on. It's safe. I'm just gonna stand right over here. Wow, it's dirty out here. Hold on. No place for a kitty cat if we've got dirt all over the yard. Ah, is that a pinata leg? Pinata. Oh my god. Alright. Well, you know, perhaps it's not best. Not the best time for you to go outside. Alright, well, I mean, video's done. What have you got to say for yourself? Still so curious. Come on. Come sit with me. Come here. Come here. Look at that pretty kitty. There we go. Such a nice kitty cat. Well, fine, be that way. See if I can.